Magandang umaga po. Ngayon iba naman tayo. Iko-content natin nga itong isa sa pinakasikat na band do'n sa actually hindi ko matawag na band, ito ko na duet. Ay mag-asawa si, Mr. BG, Bactong at saka Mr. Miss May Bactong, Mrs. May Bactong. So ang kanila pong mga kanta ay pumatok na, meron silang malaking following at isa sila sa pinaka-sensational ngayon sa Mindanao. Ang isa mga kalaban nila ngayon na malapit din si Elias, si Elias TV. So guys, pag-unahin, bago ko i-picture din si Elias TV, picture muna natin ito si Kwan, si BJ. Ang pangalan ng Kwan, yung itong dalawang ito ay pinangalanan sa sarili nila na Sweet Notes. At nag-original sila si General Santos City kung saan ako na nanggaling. At yan, sa Mindanao ito po sa lahat ng mga nakikinig ng mga Tagalog, all the Americans, all other foreigners who may have been listening to me now, I just want to tell you that I am featuring the duo Sweet Notes. Their name is Sweet Notes. They came from General Santos City, where Manny Pacquiao came from. And Manny Pacquiao is now in America, who is preparing for his fight against Mario Barrios. And it is an incredible fight, if I may say so. But, of course, Manny Pacquiao, another Mindanaoan, has promised surprises to to make the fans enjoy. But this time, there are really a lot of talents from our place, Mindanao, in Jalsato City, South Cotabato. And one of the latest talents that we can boast of is this General or four-star General Nicolas uh, Torre III, a son of a sergeant, PC sergeant in our place, and he is now the chief of the Philippine National Police. And I am now featuring another Mindanaoan great, the musical great. This is the Sweet Notes, and I'm featuring their concert in in uh, in the so-called Australia in Brisbane. And I just want to picture to they have already the what I shall I say the Facebook channel. So if you consider Facebook, rather the YouTube channel shows that marami silang followers. So followers po nila ay 2.05 million air supply medley. Australian tour to nila to. And then I will show to you their Facebook page showing 6.5 billion followers. Ayan, ganun na po sila kasikat. So, ito po yung Facebook page nila. Suportahan natin po yung mga Pilipino na sumisikat. Malay mo, I do believe that he is better than Arnel Pineda in building out songs. So, yan pakita niyo 6.5 million followers. So, ladies and gentlemen, be prepared. I will be featuring their performance in Brisbane, Australia. And this time, I will uploading it on my YouTube. Naghingil ako ng pasensya sa mga Sweet Notes sa kay BJ. Pero bago ko lahat, basahin ko na to. Ang pangalan po ng babae ay si husband niya, si Jeffrey BG Bactong Jr. At ang kanyang misis ay si Charlotte May Bactong. They began performing together in 2017, initially working as hotel entertainers in Shanghai, China. So China product pala sila. Prior to this, Charlotte had spent 4 years as a vocalist dancer in South Korea, while BJ honed his musical skills as a church band member. Their rise to fame was catalyzed during the COVID-19 pandemic when they started live streaming their performances from home. A notable breakthrough came in October 2021 with their viral cover of Parting Time, which significantly increased their online following. Their rendition of Ruel Cortez Iniibig Kita further boosted their popularity, amassing over 17 million views. Today, Sweet Notes boasts of substantial online presence with over 4 million followers on Facebook and more than 6.5 million na po. So, i-update lang natin. So, ito na po, pagpatugtugin, pakinggan po natin yung performance nila sa Australia. This is really an excellent performance, truly above par, and truly making Filipinos proud. Ito na po sila. Pakinggan niyo po. The Sweet Notes. Yan po sila. Sweet Notes. Okay, shall I play it now?
Sana magustuhan ninyo.
Sa Brisbane, Australia.
If it is song, guys, you can sing along with us. And just enjoy the moment.
Had a lot of big dreams. I made a lot of bad moves. I know you could walk away, but you never do. I'm not easy to understand, but you hold out your head and you say you love me.
Yan ang misis niya. Kita diba, galing, oh. Gitarista pa, magaling pa mag-lead guitar. Si BG. Saka misis niya, andyan. Oh. Pakinggan.
You always treat me the best that you can. You say you want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am, just as I am.
Indeed, no? Yung pandemic talaga, maraming pinasikat. Isa na ito si BJ, tsaka si May, Sweet Notes, na pinasikat ng pandemic. Anyway, marami pang iba, pero ito pagpatuloy natin pakinggan. Ang gaganda ng mga kuha nila. Actually, napakinggan ko rin sila, ay hindi lang mga air supply na kanta nila magkagaling. Baka galing sila mga Freddie Aguilar covers. Ang dami mga kuha nila. Pakinggan, patuloy pakinggan.
Pahingi naman ng konting palakpakan dyan. Ayos na ba tayo dyan sa gilid? At sa mga mahilig sa air supply para sa inyo lahat.
Sa Australia to, ha?
When she looks at me and all the girl sees things nobody else can see, and all of the secrets feels inside, and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. Know the words, sabay-sabay. And it doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Say, come on, she believes, and that fate is something I never know before. Come on, babe, she loves me, and that love has helped me open that door, making me love myself a little more.
Okay, ito naman kasal. Kinuha na naman gitara niya. Ang gagaling kasi ng lead guitarist to, eh. O, yan. Matutuwa yung mga Pilipino doon sa Australia. Kalain mo naman, Australia, kung saan isinilang at dyan lumaki at dyan sumikat si, yung, yung mga air supply mismo. Nakalimutan ang first name ni Kwan. Sige po, mamaya na maalala ko.
guitar.
Overnight scenes, dinner and wine, Saturday girls. I was never in love, never had the time in my hustle and hurry world. Loving myself to sleep, waking up lonely. I needed someone to hold me.
In other words,
Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything I need. You're everything to me. Oh, girl.
Ay, shoutout dyan sa Japan, no, kay Olengilio, kay Pastor Rabi, Rodi Rabi.
Was down, my dreams are wearing thin. When you lost, where do you begin? My heart always seems to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. Everybody say, two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. That's right. Out of all the people, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life, where everything was wrong, something started went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world.
once again,
Ayun taga-Bugo di ito Anyway, ang nakabasa ko kasi sa kanilang mga biography ay doon sila sa General Santos City, yung mag-asawang ito. So, the husband and wife duo singing excellently air supply songs.
guitar.
In Brisbane, Australia.
Sino naniniwala sa forever dito ngayong gabi?
Ako, naniwala sa
Sino may
forever.
mga forever dito?
Oh, forever ako.
Ang daming forever Sana all, may forever. When you say I miss
Galing.
the things you do,
Pikit mo mata mo.
I just wanna get
Kala
back
ko si Hitchcock
close
Russell
again
ang
to
mga
you.
Russell Hitchcock ang kumakanta.
But for now, your voice is near enough. How I miss you and I miss your love. And everybody, all the days that pass me by so slow. All the emptiness inside me flows all around, and there's no way out. I'm just feeling so much of you. There was never any doubt. Everybody say, come on. I
Forever.
Oh yeah, that's right. If you say you'll be there too, I can wait forever if you will. I know it's one thing, to spend my life alone with you.
Grabe yung energy dito. Dito ko na lang ito ibibigay.
Next song para sa lahat na
Ganda ng
hindi pa nakaka-move on ngayong gabi.
Promise.
Another song
Pikit
from
mo
Air
mata niya.
Supply. Ubusin na natin to bago tayo magsayawan.
Parang si Hitchcock Russell kumakanta. Pikit mo mata niya.
I have the ring that needs your finger. I want to always to remember. Oh,
Talaga
want
naman
it to be a part of my dream. stay close to me.
Alam mo ba
Yes.
to? Everybody say!
Hindi lang yung
Oh yeah.
kasabayin ko
I
eh.
never thought your love could feel so right.
Every day and through the night,
Let me be the one to hold you tight. I can't let go. I can't let go. I can't.
Salamat baby ha sa pagbigay mo ng informasyon at taga-bugo Cebu Palay.
don't you dare!
Taga-Jensen din sila. Lumipat sa Jensen galing Cebu. Yan, ito naman yan.
Listen to the song sa lahat ng mga nagmamahalan ngayong gabi. Let's keep on loving each other.
Blessed Sunday.
Time is time. I'm lost for words, but still like you. Only your eyes can know the way that I feel. Know how much I need you now with me. Your love so strong has never been a part of me. Your love, hold on, we're feeling it now. Is this the way it's meant to be?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this man on guitar, BJ! Let's go!
Ang galing.
I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I'm all out of love, but I'm all without you. I can't be too late to say that I was so wrong.
Ang hirap kaya ka mag-perform. Gigitara ka pa, kakanta ka pa. Tatalon-talon ka. Oh. Yan, favorite ko yan. Aming din.
I
I
came
think
to you and never realized too much. Wondering what you would say, hoping you'd understand it's not the role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's been gone. When not, the past is over and gone. Give me a drop of mind, you know it's due. I can do so much for you.
Yeah.
I'm a time, let me hear you.
I
Say,
want
having you, having you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, having you near me. I love you tonight.
Okay, yes. Isa pa.
Holding you,
Galing.
the feeling I'll never outgrow. Though each and every part of me has tried, only you can feel that space inside. So there's no sense pretend our heart is not ready. Just Just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories came crashing through, and I just can't go on without, go on without. It's just no good without you.
Do you want more? There's another song.
So, tapusin nyo na yan. Galing na nga rin. Success pa ng career niya ito.
I was the lonely one, wondering what went wrong, why love had gone and left me lonely. I was so confused, feeling like I'd just been used. Then you came to me, and my loneliness left me.
I used to think I was trying too hard, and that was the heartbreak. But now that I found you, even the nights are better. And now that we're here together, even the nights are better since I found you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Even the days are brighter with someone who loves beside you. Even the nights are better since I found you.
Galing. Pikit yung mata nyo. Pikit yung mata
Now
nyo.
the night is gone, now the night is gone away. Does it seem that long? We hardly had the words to say. Hold me in your arms for just another day. I promise this one will go slow. We have the right to know. Everybody, we have the right to know. One more time. Here I am, the one that you love, asking for another day.
Understand the one that you love.
Loves you in so many ways. Woo! Sayaw na dito na Saida.
Kailangan ba
Sa pinakalikod, kaya mo ba itapon doon?
Diyan sa likod.
yan? Paborito ko. Tapos tayo.
Ayan, nakikita ko na sa likod. Ayun sa bagay
Ang
dyan.
gagaling kanta sobre sa post.
I'll dance alone 1,000 times. The songs that no one else could even hear. I'll reach into the flame of love. I couldn't hold it and it disappeared. I've lived to learn to hate the blue. Come on, come on.
Itong set nila.
Maraming salamat po. Okay na ba kayo lahat dyan? Yeah. Gusto nyo ba
Okay.
sumayaw?
Let us now, call it a night, day. So, happy Saturday to all. Oh, yun. Ipinipicture ko lang, kasi isa akong fan ng, isa ako sa mga one of the best fans ng Air Supply. Marami pa akong mga pinugusto mga, Next, balik pa tayo. Ipipicture natin yung iba pang kanta nila, ibang concert nila kung saan. At saka, yung si Elias ni Within, ipipicture din at saka iba pa mga Pilipino, mga musicians. Ito pa pag-aalay sa kasi musikero din ako. Gusto ko magbibigay ng tulong sa mga musikero. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Si Pastor Roddy Rabi, si Bibi, watching from Saudi Arabia. So, tapos si Mr. Romualdez Tambi. Good morning. Si Olen Gelio, taga Jensan, and Cebu. Ang Bugo at taga Jensan, si BJ. Okay, magkang dyan lang po at magandang umaga po sa